My name is Charlotte Borkety and I'm from England. I'm 22 years old. I've been at the Academy since April 2020 and I've been here for almost 4 years. It kind of just fell upon me. I had a really hard time in high school. I really struggled and I wasn't sure what to do. And I found the Academy and I knew that I always loved to draw and I always loved to paint. So when I found the Academy, I just was so excited. I didn't really have any expectations, but when I saw the paintings, I was very excited to even learn a little bit how to paint like we do here. And so each day and years that I've been here, my expectations have definitely been fulfilled. I've developed a lot. Before I came here, I didn't have any experience in art other than hobbies and at home. So I've basically gone from ground zero up, and I feel like I've grown a lot. I've learned so much. The relationship with the teachers and students here is really lovely. The students, no matter if you're just starting or you're about to graduate, we're all really good friends and we're all like family. And the teachers, it's the exact same. They're always really friendly to you and you can have a good laugh. The thing I like best about the Academy is that you can really learn the foundations of art and how to draw. You don't only learn how to draw, but you learn how to draw the things you want to draw in the future. It really gives you that beginning basis on, okay, I want to do creative work, but how do I do it? And it teaches you that. I'd recommend the Academy to other people because you'll be able to learn the foundations of drawing and you'll no longer have those questions of, does this look correct or wrong and why? They will answer those questions for you.